Right, this is a house and it's secure at the end. Now this is 8,000 pesos a month and it's up and down.
Welcome, sir.
Now they said they're going to clean it up. Now 8,000 a month for this, in my humble opinion, I wouldn't pay. It's not in good enough condition. Oh, that's the shower. It really needs a good clean. There's no internet, so I'm guessing if you wanted internet you'd have to put it in yourself, and the problem with that is you're stuck to, in some cases, a 24-month contract, but at least a 12-month contract, and you have to have a Filipino to do it unless you're a permanent resident. If you're a permanent resident you can do it in your name, but if you're not a permanent resident, unfortunately you need a Filipino to do it. Now if you want to come into somewhere like this and improve the Filipinos' property while you're in to make it your standard, then you know, that's entirely up to you. But you've got to remember that this is practically in the middle of Naga, as was the other house I showed you. Now, the further out of Naga you get, for 8,000 you'll get a better property. So that's what I'm going to try and do, is find something outside of Naga as well and show you that, what you'll get for your money. Now I'm just going to show you outside. Now you've got your own private motorcycle shop and cake shop and bread and what have you there. As we come out here and have a look out here, look, this is leaving Naga and this road's going into Naga, and just a little bit down there you turn left and you're near my house. Right, my personal opinion, I wouldn't want to live here, and definitely not for 8,000, even though it's got an up and down, but that's just me. There might be people out there that would jump at this one. Now, even though the one I showed you on a previous video for 6,000 is just one room, it's immaculately clean, it's secure, there's somewhere to park your motorbike, you can do a monthly rent, so you can come, for instance, and I never said this on the other video, but you could actually rent somewhere like that for a month while you look for somewhere that's more to your liking. What's your verdict, Mal?
For me, sure, but for the, I know the standard of the foreign.
Well, I'm pleased you said that, because I can't say it, can I? Because if I say that, I'm going to get some unpleasant comments.
I know also the standard of the foreigner, so it's...
Well, no, I mean, that's not... I mean, I haven't got much experience of what a lot of foreigners want. I'm just going off my experience and what I'm prepared to put up with. And for 8,000, I think that's...
There's a two-room, right?
Yeah, there's an up and down stairs. Now...
It's only him, so I just for me, I choose the other one.
Yeah, the one at 6,000. Yeah, I would.
Because you don't need the bigger, right?
No, you don't. If you're on your own, why do you need that? All you need in the other property is a microwave, a fridge and a kettle. And a bit of bedding. That's all you need. That's it. And then you can stay there as long as you want until you find a house that suits you. The further out of Naga you go, the nicer the property's going to be, and you'll get something out of Naga for about 8-10,000. That's a lot nicer than this one. Just like a lot of cars we went to see, it looks better on the picture. So that's it, just a quick look at another property and what you can get for 8,000 inside Naga. So we'll see you on the next video.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping